In this video, I'll tell you and show you how to prune cherry trees in spring. I have a small cherry tree of the variety Spanka. It is semi-dwarf, and the branches need to be shaped so that the cherries ripen well, and a lot of them are produced. For pruning the cherry tree, as always, we will need sharp pruners and a garden saw. First of all, it's important to clear out the branches that are growing inward into the crown. They become too dense. This way, there will be better light exposure, and the harvest will ripen faster. The branches must be cut so that no stump remains. The wound will survive faster and be covered with bark. After that, you need to prune the 1-year growth by 1/3 of its length to make the tree more bushy and prevent it from growing too tall. It is necessary to cut off the annual growth a little higher. The bud that is facing outward from the crown, literally by 3-5 millimeters at a right angle. Now, the branch will grow outward and won't go inward, shading the crown. After that, it's necessary to remove all the diseased branches that have sap oozing out. I have a sick branch here, so I'm pruning it just above the bud that's facing outward. It's also important to remove any branches that cross and rub against each other. These two branches are crossing, so we'll prune one of them, the thinner one, or the one that's growing inward. This is the thin branch. After that, we prune all the branches that are growing downward. And they don't get enough light, so the harvest will be poor and won't ripen. The peculiarity of cherry pruning is that you can leave a slightly thickened crown in the upper part. It will bloom abundantly and have a good harvest because there are a lot of cherries and they are tied to almost every ovary. Also, don't forget to prune the suckers under the tree's crown. All the branches we've cut need to be burned because pests and diseases often overwinter in them. This is what a trimmed Spanish cherry tree looks like. The crown is open, and the edges of the crown are a bit denser. This is to ensure a larger and more abundant harvest. Leave your comments and feedback, like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Stay with us. Goodbye, everyone.